Namaste and welcome to my next podcast on Hindu gods on the platform Kyama Club. In this podcast today, I talk about the less talked about goddess Chotani Kare Bhagavati Amman. So, who is goddess Chotani Kare Bhagavati Amman? Goddess Chotani Kare Bhagavati Amman is a form of goddess Mahalakshmi. She is believed to be residing in Chotanikare along with her husband, Lord Mahavishnu. This temple of goddess Chotanikare Bhagavati Amman is located in Chotanikare, a southern suburb of the city of Kochi in the state of Kerala, India, and is one of the most popular temples in the state. This Devi is worshipped at the temple in three different forms. Goddess Mahasaraswati in the morning draped in white. Mahalakshmi in the afternoon draped in crimson. And she's worshipped as Goddess Mahakali in the evening decked in blue. So how does Goddess Chotanikare Bhagavati Amman look? The original idol of Goddess Bhagavati is around 4 feet tall, is facing the east and is made of red laterite. This goddess Chotanikare Bhagavati Amman is believed to be Swayambhu. The image is called Rudrakshasila and is irregular in shape. This image can only be viewed early in the morning when the sanctum opens for Nirmalyam. This golden-hued idol of the goddess Bhagavati is beautifully decorated with colorful saris and exquisite jewelry. She is seen holding a disc in her upper right hand, the conch on her upper left hand. The lower right hand is seen in a pose conferring boons, which is the Varada Mudra, and the lower left hand is seen in the Abhaya Mudra. The conch and the disc are the celebrated weapons of Lord Vishnu, and hence Goddess Bhagavati is also viewed as an embodiment of Lord Vishnu, and it is no surprise that people worship her with the chants Amme Narayana, Devi Narayana, Lakshmi Narayana, Badre Narayana. So what does this particular mantra mean? This mantra addresses the universal energy of both male and female as Amme Narayana, the source of knowledge and wisdom as Devi Narayana, the source of wealth, good health and happiness as Lakshmi Narayana, and the protector from all kinds of mental and physical diseases as Badre Narayana. Isn't that a beautiful explanation of that shloka? So how does one really benefit by chanting this particular mantra? Goddess Chotanikare Bhagavati Amman is a divine healer who can cure devotees of even incurable diseases and mental illnesses and also free them from possession of evil spirits. So regular chanting of this mantra can bring about permanent cure in both mental and physical ailments. I hope this podcast helps. Thanks for listening. I'm going to be back soon with yet another podcast. Till such time, it's Divya signing off. Bangalore is not short of music schools, art schools, or dance schools. But there's not a single shloka school that aims at keeping our children abreast of cultural knowledge, thereby tapping an area left untapped, shloka education. Call me an economist, a shlokapreneur, or a founder. But first, I'm a theist in every right. Hello, my name is Divyadurai Swami, and I am the founder of Gurukulam, the Shloka Learning Center, the first of its kind online shloka school. On this platform, Kya Matlab, I will take you through the lesser talked about gods of Hinduism. Stay tuned. कुछ बातों का मतलब, कुछ मतलब की बातें. क्या मतलब?